Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. So this reading is specifically for those who have a certain person in mind and you don't know what's going on. You have feelings for them but you can't read their mind. You don't know whether they'll commit, whether you have a relationship with them or it's just a situationship, whether this guy is serious about you or no. So we'll get some of the idea with this reading as to what is going on. If you don't fall into this category, please feel free to move on, skip, because this is only for my friends who are right now struggling with, struggling for answers, struggling with their certain someone. So let's see, Gemini, what are they thinking? Okay. All right. So what they're thinking is that I don't know. It's a third party situation from their end for some of you. They are thinking that you are completely gaga over them, Gemini. They are thinking that you really want a fulfilled home, a future with them. You really want everything with them, and you see them as the bright light in their life, and you want a new beginning with them. That is what they're thinking. And they feel that you are hurt without them. You really miss them. If you for those who are not in communication right now, not in touch right now, so this is for those who are not talking to them. So they know that you're hurt. They know that you want everything with them. They know you want a new beginning with them. That is what they're thinking right now. Let's see how you can handle this situation. Alright, this person definitely has somebody already. I'm telling you, I'm getting a lot of. Okay, so yes, Gemini, do yourself a favor. Block this person, end this nonsense charade with them. Whatever is going on, if you guys are not talking, please don't talk, because this person definitely is keeping you waiting. You don't know where you stand with them. You should really end this. You should really put a wall and not let them come in, because this person is really thinking too highly of themselves, right? This person thinks that you won't survive without them. Oh God, you are really desperate or really devastated without them. So don't give them that happiness. You should really end it. Let them go. If you really want to talk to them once to let them know that you want out of this, please do that. But for those who are not in talking terms right now, who are not in communication right now, I'd rather that you not do it. Let it be like this. Let it die like this. This doesn't deserve, as far as right now I can see. So what? Let's see what the possible outcome could be. Let's see, Gemini, what the possible outcome could be in the near future. What is the possible outcome for Gemini in the near future? What is the possible outcome for Gemini in the near future? Lord, give me the right answer. All right. So Gemini, yeah. If you don't listen to me, then this is what will happen. You will really look back and say that, oh God, this tarot channel was correct. But yes, nonetheless, near future, you will get judgment. You will, if they've hurt you, they will suffer. Whosoever they are juggling you with, they will definitely suffer and get the karma will really take action. So you will get justice. Justice is on your side. Your angels are on your side. Judgment and justice coming twice. But this Five of Cups is just a warning. Don't we see tarot readings because we want to know what's going to happen. And if we really believe in tarot, if we really believe, I'm sure you believe in my channel. I believe in myself because I know my intuition is correct. And often I do readings for very close family and friends, because those are the people you don't want to hurt. So there are times when it's actually correct. So I know that when I'm reading it with so much confidence, I know that I'm being correct here. And you can see the cards. So what I'm saying is that listen to this. Don't go into the heartbreak land. Don't go into the miserable city. End it right here, because I see the near future God will really pay you for all the tears that you have shed, for all the times that you have really cried over this person. Because I think this is just a lesson. Treat it like a lesson. Don't let it hurt too much, and move on. This is what I have for you. I hope you listen to me, and keep watching my channel. I'll do more readings for your love life and personal readings, so that you know what's happening and what's gonna happen. Thank you for watching.